Hi and welcome. In this Simplifier tutorial we will show you how to translate a workflow into several different languages. Simplifier provides your end users with the possibility to have workflows in 38 languages using their browser or the Simplifier mobile client. This ensures that users can access and interact with workflows in their preferred language, enhancing usability and engagement across diverse linguistic backgrounds. Before we start, let me give you a brief overview of the tutorial. In general, every configured workflow can be translated from the default language. This is the language the workflow is maintained in, via our native translation editor into up to 38 different languages. For this tutorial, we will translate one activity of a vacation request workflow from English to German. Before we begin, please note that you need to use Simplifier version 8 EHP3 or higher. First, open the workflow overview and select your desired workflow. In the workflow editor, click on the Translate button, which is located on the upper right side, right before the Save button. Open the language configuration dialog by clicking on Configure Language. For our tutorial, we will just add German. You can also change the default language if you want to. Now confirm the settings and click on Save. Now, to translate the workflow, just click on Translate to have the translation editor open for all activities grouped by the following types: workflow, outcomes, variables, and tasks. Now we are translating the workflow name and description. In larger workflows, it is imperative to have quick access to the correct activity in the translation editor. So if you select an activity like a task and click on Translate, the editor opens up and you see the translatable properties for the selected activity highlighted in blue. The final outcome for the end user is a translated task inbox with the Simplifier Launchpad and mobile client according to the preferred user language. The user can set the preferred language using the language settings in the user profile menu. The inbox for user tasks is now displayed in the right user language. That wraps up our tutorial. We've successfully translated our workflow from English to German. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next one. Stay awesome.